Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's question is on JEE Main recent cycle, and it's on indefinite integrals, and it's about radical conversions, which are expressions under square root. Just like here, we have to isolate the root term using polynomial substitution. In the question, function fx is given in terms of an indefinite integral, and to find the value of constant of integration, phi f root 2 equals minus 4 is given, and we have to find f1. The core concept here is we have to substitute t equals the radical term 3 minus x square. Squaring we get t square equals 3 minus x square. Differentiating 2t dt equals minus 2x dx. Cancelling 2 x dx equals minus t dt. We also get from here x square equals 3 minus t square. Given function is fx equals integral x cube square root 3 minus x square dx. This we write as x square root 3 minus x square x dx. After above substitution, this will be ft equals integral x square is 3 minus t square root 3 minus x square is t, and x dx is minus t dt. Integral minus t square into 3 minus t square dt. Integral t raised to 4 minus 3t square dt. After integrating t power 5 upon 5 minus 3 into t cube upon 3 plus c. Finally, ft will be t power 5 upon 5 minus cancelling 3 t cube plus c. Now we will back substitute this t equals square root 3 minus x square here to get fx. So fx will be 3 minus x square power 5 by 2 upon 5 minus 3 minus x square power 3 by 2 plus c. Now in order to find this c, we will use this data in the question. Phi f root 2 equals minus 4. Let us first find out f root 2. For that, let us put x equals root 2 here. So f root 2 will be 3 minus root 2 square will be 2 power 5 by 2 upon 5 minus 3 minus root 2 square will be 2 power 3 by 2 plus c. 1 power 5 by 2 is 1. 1 by 5 minus 1 plus c. So phi f root 2 will be 1 minus 5 plus c. This value is minus 4 here. So minus 4 equals minus 4 plus c. Cancelling minus 4, we get c equals 0. So from this we get fx equals 3 minus x square power 5 by 2 upon 5 minus 3 minus x square power 3 by 2 only. Now the final task, f1 3 minus 1 2 power 5 by 2 upon 5 minus 2 power 3 by 2 root 2 power 5 upon 5 minus root 2 cube into root 2 square 2 by 5 minus 1 2 root 2 into minus 3 by 5, which is minus 6 root 2 upon 5. This is f1. Hence, the correct answer option here is D, minus 6 root 2 by 5. This one here. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep building strong mathematical thinking. And I will see you in the next JEE Maths tutorial. Until then, keep watching JEE Maths PYQs. Thank you.